I'm Dylan Brody. Some of you know me as a humorist, a storyteller, others as a solo performer, a novelist, as a filmmaker. Several of you know me as the writing coach who solved the problem you had getting your book done. Somewhere in 2018, 2019, time gets all fuzzy before the pandemic began. Somebody suggested that I find a way to put my system into a format accessible to people who couldn't afford me, frankly, as a coach, but also people who aren't comfortable in the workshop setting. Sitting with others, writing in company, reading and commenting. Some people don't respond well to that. So I put together this wonderful book. It has QR codes that lead to videos of me talking a little bit. It has assignments. It has prompts. It is designed to carry out the same effect on the psyche that I strive to create for the writers in my workshops and in my coaching programs. My intention is never to teach people how to write the way I write. That would be just terrible for my own market, I suppose, but mostly just a bad way of going about freeing anyone else's artistic impulses. My goal is always to help people find their own processes, their own, each his or her or their own process. This system that I had put together that involves breathing exercises that I do regularly with my coaching people and so on, I was able to put down on the page in some ways. And then I handed it to a couple of people who are friends to work with and forgot about that. And then I sold a few copies and then the pandemic hit. And I shifted from in-person work to on Zoom work and was able to reach a lot more people than I had been at the little workshop in LA here. And now I have rediscovered I have all these just write your own book programs ready to go. The videos are still online. The program still exists. And I called the couple of people. The people I gave it to never opened it. The people who bought it from me, though, I had voicemail from one of them saying that they had finished a book and could they get on a call with me to discuss what they do with it, because they finished it in the first year of the pandemic, having just bought this thing, and then the book languished, and they wanted to know how to move forward. And the other one is just off and running. They self-published and have put out the second book in a series and are just moving right along. All of that is to say, apparently this system genuinely works for those who want to write but don't want to take courses and workshops. If you do want to take courses and workshops or work with me in person, beautiful. Go to activevoiceproductions.com/workshops and just get on my schedule and we'll talk. We'll figure out what you need. But if you want to avoid talking to anybody, this might be the thing. So check it out. Order now. The Just Write Your Own Book program, the complete program with everything and all the online interactive stuff, was originally sold in 2018 at $1,800, $17.97. But I'm doing it over the holidays. I'm doing it at $999. This thing is designed to help an aspiring writer get through his or her first book, or to help the long-time writer get through the one they've always been a little bit afraid to touch. The program is designed to relieve all the anxiety around writing, to help you discover your process as a creative entity, and to get your words out of your head onto the page, developing a sense of flow and comfort with your own work, finding out how you best do what you wish as a writer. There'll be a link on the page. Use it.